Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. So I've been so busy with my makeovers recently. I'm still painting doors as we go. I hope you enjoyed a look around the hall last week. It's so shiny and lovely. And I have recently been shopping, if you watched my Primark videos and my TK Maxx look round, so I thought I'd better get on and do a bit of crafting. So I've got a really simple, easy make for you today, which I think is super effective and can fit into your decor and liven up things really easily. So here we have a little pot plant, little fake pot plant from IKEA. They're really cheap and reasonable. You can get them all sorts of places, but I thought the white pot's a bit boring, so let's liven it up with some jute and twine that I already have. So I'm just cutting up this double-sided tape, and I'm going to stick 2 pieces on the pot so that it will catch my twine as it goes round. I have done some wrapping before. If you've watched video for Easter, I made some eggs that I wrapped with wool using a similar technique, and I've also done some wreaths for Valentine's and Christmas that I've wrapped with wool. So I'm quite kind of getting into this. Such an easy thing to do, but yet makes a really good change to things. So I thought, well, I've got lots of jute and I've got lots of twine. I thought I'd get a little bit creative and see what I can do. So I'm going to wrap the jute round the bottom, and I'm going to try sort of different patterns. So I mean, I could go jute all the way up to the top, but I might sort of incorporate this grey twine I've got. So I'm going to go jute, perhaps 3/4 of the way up, perhaps, and then finish the top with the twine and see how that looks. So I think that looks super cute. It almost looks like a completely new thing. You can push the jute up and down, because I've got a little white patch, but I can move that up and adjust it round, and I think that looks great. A really simple fix for an effective look, I feel. Okay, so now I'm going to try another part, and this time I'm going to just show you that you can use Pritt Stick if you haven't got the double-sided sticky tape. It's a little bit trickier. I think the sticky tape holds it really firm, but obviously if you do want to take the string off eventually, the sticky tape will come off, I think, but it'll be harder to get off, whereas the Pritt Stick will just dry, and then you'll be able to just unwind that and it'll be no problem. So it might be a little bit tricky to get started because it's not fixing brilliantly, but once you get wrapping it tight, I think it'll be fine. And then the good thing with the glue is that you can always glue any bits that stick up or anything, you can just glue it back down again. So I'm just going to wrap that round tight, leave the end bit hanging, and then I'll glue that on as I go, and then keep wrapping it tight, and I think it'll work out. And I'm just trying a different coloured twine there. So I've got, and again, you can use wool, string, whatever you've got really. It depends what look you're going for. So I'm going to do this perhaps the other way around, maybe do a bit of this twine, and then round the top do a border of jute and see what that looks like. Again, like with everything I show you, there's so many options, so many possibilities that you can do. I mean, every single pot you do could be completely different, or you could go with a kind of pattern so they complement each other, but are slightly different, so they're cohesive. Or you could do them all identical. It really is up to you. I just hope to give you the inspiration you need to do your own little bits to add to your decor and just make everything personal, um, which I think is important in your home. So I've done 3 of these in a sort of complementary set. So they're using the grey twine and the jute, but in different levels. So half and half or 3/4, jute at the bottom, twine at the top. And I think they just make a really complementary little trio there. So here is the finished pot in its place as part of my spring into summer decor. If you've been following me over on Instagram, you'll recognise some of these items from my Primark haul. A couple of videos ago on YouTube here, I showed you a look around Primark, and I did go back and pick up a few extra things. But that beautiful fresh basil candle smells delicious, about £2.50 I think it was. And then this lovely tray, I think was £5. These clippers, a wick trimmer and a snuffer, I actually got those in the next sale. I've always wanted some of those, so I was really pleased I found those. But yes, please do follow me on Instagram, because I do like to try and put things on in between videos if you're interested. I've got another pot actually I might do, so I might post that on Instagram for you to see. But that looks super cute, and that pot's just got a new lease of life instead of just plain white plastic. Because before I was having to put it inside a cup to make it look interesting. Now it stands alone by itself. And then the cute little trio, I've put them in a cloche on my hall windowsill, and I think they look fabulous. So I hope you agree, everybody. Thanks for watching. Please try it out. Let me know if you do. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you next week. Take care. Bye-bye.